Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy items on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and from the game homepage, you can tap on the shards menu at the top right corner in order to buy various different items by spending the shards that you currently have. Once you click on this, you will see various different kinds of items or sets that you can buy. Just click on any item that you are interested in, and you will be able to see the price of that particular item. If you have enough currency, then you can simply click on the buy option, and after choosing how many of this item you would like to purchase, just click on the purchase option. And now this item will be bought and added to your armory, from which you can equip this to your character. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy items on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.